Okay, so we're gonna put our pot in the wax. There is wax in the bottom of this. It's hard to kind of see. And even then you can't see it on there. Okay, there is wax in here, which I'll show you. So we'll sit this down in the hot plate and it's gonna sit 5-10 seconds and let it heat up. This is putting a barrier between the pot and the glaze. And so if you look, you can see what that looks like. And we'll put it back in. There's still not enough on the bottom. Be careful to flip it over or you can have that like drip go all the way down the side of the pot. So we'll flip it again. If you still see some bubbles or places with your name, I'm just gonna smooth those out. And then this is called dry footing. And I can't see it. There we go. This is called dry footing, where there's no glaze on the bottom. And this is what most pottery is done, like where you don't have glaze. Okay, so first thing, we'll put the glaze or the wax on the bottom of the pot. We'll let it sit in the hot plate for 5-10 seconds. It's hard to see that there's wax in there, but I'll flip it and show you. Okay, so you can see the bottom of that. There's still some sections that don't have wax, so I'll let it sit. And then I'll flip that over and see if I can show you where we are. There we are. So I'm going to smush over some of this that didn't get covered. Okay, but sit it in there, let it heat up. It will turn brown on the bottom, at least the areas that we're touching. I'm going to go ahead and mix these up. If you look in here, you can see that there's water on top, and you can see that there is glaze, like thick glaze down at the bottom, and how it's watery up here. If you were to dip your pot in here, you would have thin on one side, thick on the other. So these have to be mixed up. We're going to use this blue-green color, which you can see the water is on top of this one. And so that's going to need to be mixed up. So this is one that we're going to use. Again, you want to check, what does it look like at the bottom? What does it look like at the top? And mix these up. Whew. Okay, so we're shooting for the same consistency all the way up and down. Okay, so you can see that you're going to need to continue to mix until it looks the same. Okay, so from all the way from the top down to the bottom. Okay, so from here, we're going to grab a cup, and you need a friend to help you. I can be your friend and help, but, oh, and you do not want this one.
Oh, yes, I do.
You want blue-green?
Yeah, he wants.
Okay.
He wants purple.
I thought I was going to make you glaze the wrong one. So I'm going to scoop up some glaze. I'm going to pour it on the inside. And then she's going to pour this out and spin it more than she pours. So that way it can coat the inside of the pot and get the entire inside covered instead of just one side. Okay, there you go. Go ahead and dip it. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and glaze the outside. We're going to do the bottom first. And so we're going to hold the top like this and press this in. So one thumb is on one side, one is on the other. It's going to be more buoyant than you think. And push down. There you go. And go ahead and pull it out. Go and pull it all the way out.